I'm going to repeat it. When the 2 is the base of binary systems, computer understand only the binary system. Okay? When the power of 2 is 0, it means that you can take only one character in it. When the power of base 2 is 1, you can take only 2 characters. When the 2 inputs is there, you can take the 4 possible combination in the truth tables. Clear? Like this AND gate, you have only the 2 characters, 2 inputs there. So in which you have the most possible combination of the two, is 4, like this.
No.
Look, you have 2 input is there.
No.
You have 2 input is there in
No,
which you
no.
can the 4 possible combinations.
No.
Clear?
No.
We have 2 input is there.
No.
We have 2 inputs is there, and in it we have the 4 possible combinations. The same like that. The same that.
No.
And when we have three possible inputs, we can take 8 characteristics. Yeah, 8 characters. Clear? The other case is that when we have the 4 inputs, we can take 16 characters.
No.
When we have 5 input,
No.
then we have 32 characters. You can take 32 characters. When we have the 6 inputs, we can take 64 characters. And when we have 7 inputs, we can take. जी
मैम फर्स्ट में आपने 0 क्यों नहीं लिखा, 1 लिखा हुआ है?
Beta, this is the standard rule. When you have take the power of 0 of any base, the value is 1. ठीक है? किसी अगर 10 की पावर 0 लें, उसकी भी वैल्यू 1 नहीं होती है. This is a mathematical rule. When the we have the 7 input is there, then the possible combination of the output is 128, means you can take 128 characters. And if you have 8 inputs, 8 power 2 की power, then we take 256 characters, and this is the standard. So when we have the 3 input, the most possible combination of the character is 8.
No.
ठीक है?
Oh.
ठीक है? Suppose this is a truth table. This is the AND gate equations x, y, z. In this we have the 3 correct inputs is there, x, y, and z, and these are the AND gate multiplying x with when we are inserting the input is x is one input, y is another, and z is another. Clear?
No.
They have the 3 input is there. The possible combination is 8. Clear? No. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Clear? To remember how to remember this table, take the first input and put 8 character है ना, divide into half. ठीक है? 4 0 and 4 1. This is the tip how to remember the value of it. 3 characters, 8 possible combination, 8 divided by 2. So 4 0 and 4 1. Clear? And then y other values 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1. ठीक है? And then z 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. This is the tip of inserting the values of the three possible combination of inputs. Clear? X give 4 in first 4 0 and first last 4 1, double 2 double 1 double 2 double 0 double 1, and according to these equations,
No.
all these are multiplying.
Ma'am?
Clear? When three zeros are the first one, three zeros are multiplying, the output is 0, and this is also multiplying. The output is 0. Okay, and when these 0 1 0 these things are multiplying, the output is 0. When 0 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1, output is 0. In this case also 0, and only the 1 is there, and only 1 is there when all inputs are 1. Means the all inputs are on. Okay, then the output is 1, otherwise not. And these truth tables you can draw according to the equations. Clear? Okay, today is another concept is how to create NOR, XNOR, and AND gate by using three basic gates. Yes, girls, anyone tell me the basic three gates? Which are the basic three gates?
And
or
not.
Yes, these
And
are
or
the
not.
yes, and or and not. But we are using by these three basic gates, you can create these different gates. How? The first one is AND gate. Okay, the equation is F is equal to X dot Y complement. Clear? This equation tell us that this is the AND gate. Why we have no, this one is the AND gate due to the multiple sign. Clear? And this bar indicate that this is the NOT. Okay, so how to create the AND gate circuits? First, this one is the AND gate. Take the symbol of the AND gate. Okay, how many inputs are there? 2, X and Y. So first we will take X input, second Y input. Okay, and there only is a one input, and we have take X is equal F is equal to XY. Okay, हमने ले लिया. Now, according to equations, we have the complement of X and Y. What to do? We will take the NOT gate. We will connect the NOT gate with AND gate. And these equations automatically convert into the bar complement. Like, okay? Because NOT gate invert the value of previous value of the inputs. Clear? If this one is 1 and this one is 0, and if this one is 0 and this one is 1. Clear? This is the main thing, how to draw the circuit of AND gate. Clear? This is very important questions. Mostly in papers, you have the equation like this, and according to equations, you will draw the circuit. First, we will understand the equations, just like this NOR gate, it's a NOR circuit. According to that, the formula is X plus Y and complement. X plus Y, this one is the OR gate. Clear? X plus Y, this one is OR gate, and this complement bar indicate that this is NOT gate. Clear? So first we will take the OR gate. we have two inputs, X and Y. Clear? Then we have to take the values X plus Y, and this bar indicate this NOT gate. So we will connect the NOT gate with OR gate, and then these values automatically is the inverted. So this is the final. Clear? How to draw the circuit according to this equation. Clear? First we will take the simple OR gate, and according we have a bar, complement bar, and according to that we will connect it not with OR, then automatically we have get the reverse values according to this. Okay? Now the next one is, now the equation is X dot Y. X dot Y, this one is AND gate. X dot Y, this one is another AND gate. This equation explains that we will take two AND gates. Okay? The first AND gate, the second AND gate. Okay? Draw the symbol of AND gate. Okay, the X is not a simple X value. This is the due to this bar indicate that this is a complement of X. It's mean that this is the input of NOT gate. Okay, so take the input of X and connect the NOT gate with it, and we will get X complement. Clear? And Y is the simple input, so Y is connected with simple. Got it? I repeat it again. This is the two AND gate. This is one AND gate. This is another AND gate. Clear? So take the AND gate symbol, and we have two inputs, X and Y, but X is the complement. So we will connected the NOT gate with X bar. Then we will get the X complement. Clear? And Y is a simple input, so simply connected it. A similar case, and we take another input for this equation. X, now in this case, X is the simple, but Y is the complement. So Y is connected with NOT gate, and then we will get complement Y. Clear? Now the single input is that this equation we will get it, F is equal to X complement Y, and according to this we will get connected the X we will connected the X simple, and Y is complement with the help of NOT gate. We will get the X is equal to X Y complement. Clear? Okay, these two gates are connected with plus sign. Which gate has a positive sign, girls? Which gate has positive sign? Plus sign?
OR gate.
OR gate, OR. Okay, three basic gates are there, na? AND, OR, NOT. Positive OR gate contain take the positive sign, so it's mean that these two gates are connected with an OR gate. Okay, these two AND gates are connected with OR gate. This positive indicate that OR gate. So take the symbol of OR gate and connected these two OR gates, these two AND gates with one single OR gates. Okay. So when we connected it, automatically you can take it their values. F is equal to x complement y plus x is equal to y complement, like this. Clear? The concept is clear now. How to draw the circuits according to equations. Now another equation is that f is equal to xy plus xy complement. According to these equations, we have another two gates. The first one is AND gate and this one is also an AND gate. This is a simple AND gate because this is a value of x and y plus, but this is a complement of x and y. It's mean that when we are taking the second gate, we are connected x and y with NOT gates. And these two AND gates are connected with each other by using the OR gate due to the symbol of positive plus sign. First, we will take x sim and y. Clear? xy. So, and take another gate and x complement and y complement. Clear? I have connected, we have connected this x with this one. ठीक है, हम connect भी कर सकते हैं बजाय कि हम अलग से ज्यादा केबल यूज करें. Okay, according to this, we have take the value of x is equal to xy, and according to this, we have take the value x complement y complement. Got it? And due to the sign of this positive plus sign, it's allow us these two AND gates are connected with OR gates. Clear, girls? Yes, girls.
Yes, ma'am.
Ask any question if you have